Dear students, greetings for the day. Today we will study about human resource planning and staffing, job analysis and job design. Job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to the operations and responsibilities of a specific job. Right person for the right job at the right time and in a right place. Before discussing job analysis in more detail, many related terms used in personnel should be carefully defined. Task: a distinct work activity which has an identifiable beginning and end. X: postman sorting bag full of mails in appropriate boxes. Duty: several tasks which are related by some sequence of events. Collecting and recording job information. Checking the job information for accuracy. Writing job description based on information. Using the information to determine the skills, abilities, and knowledge that are required on the job. Updating the information from time to time. There are two components in job analysis: job description, job specification. Job specification: a written summary of tasks, duties, and responsibilities of a job. Job description: the minimum skills, education, and experience necessary for an individual to perform a job. Uses of job description: personnel planning, performance appraisal, hiring, training and development, job evaluation and compensation, health and safety, employee discipline, work scheduling, career planning. Jobs can be analyzed through a process, which consists of 6 basic steps. These steps consist of collection of background information, selection of representative positions, analyzed collection of job analysis data, developing a job description, developing of a job specification, developing employee specification. Job analysis information: job identification, significant characteristics of a job, what the typical worker does. Job duties: what materials and equipments the worker uses, how a job is performed, required personal attributes, job relationships. Methods of data collection: observation, interview, questionnaire, checklist, technical conference, diary methods. Job analysis method: interview method, technical conference method, questionnaire method, observation method, diary. Uses of job analysis: HR planning, recruitment and selection, orientation, job evaluation, training and development, performance appraisal, compensation and benefits, career planning and development, health and safety. Advantages of job analysis: present immediate information, assist in designing the requirements to perform a job, assist in the hiring process, helps in performing evaluation and appraisal processes, assists in delivering appropriate training, assists in deciding compensation package for a specific job. Disadvantages of job analysis: subjective matters, lengthy projects, require lots of human efforts, source of data is extremely small, unqualified job analyst, mental abilities cannot be directly observed. Job design is the process of deciding on the content of a job in terms of its duties and responsibilities, on the methods to be used in carrying out the job, in terms of techniques, systems and procedures, and on the relationships that should exist between the job holder and the superiors, subordinates and colleagues. To meet the organizational requirements such as higher productivity, operational efficiency, quality of product, service, etc. Approaches to job design: engineering approach, human approach, job characteristics approach. The human relations approach recognized the need to design jobs which are interesting and rewarding. Hertzberg's research popularized the notion of enhancing need satisfaction through what is called job enrichment factors involved, motivators like achievement, recognition, work itself, responsibility, advancement and growth, and hygienic factors. According to Hertzberg, the employee is dissatisfied with the job if required maintenance factors to the required degree are not introduced into the job. Theory by Hackman and Oldham states that employees will work hard when they are rewarded for the work they do and when the work gives them satisfaction. Hence, integration of motivation, satisfaction and performance with job design. According to this approach, job can be described in terms of 5 core job dimensions: skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy, feedback. Job design process has to start from what activity needs to be done in order to achieve organizational goals. It requires use of techniques like work study, process planning, organizational methods and organizational analysis, and also technical aspects. Job rotation, movement of an employee from one job to another, refers to the note that jobs themselves are not actually changed, only employees are rotated among various jobs. Job enlargement: when a job is enlarged, the tasks being performed are either enlarged or several short tasks are given to one worker. Thus the scope of the job is increased because there are many tasks to be performed by the same worker. Job enrichment. Job enrichment, as is currently practiced all over the work, is a direct outgrowth of Hertzberg's 2-factor theory of motivation. Advantages of job design: organizational design, structure of competent employee, motivation and commitment of employees, environmental adaptation, labor relation, quality of work life, organizational productivity. Disadvantages of job design: lack of training, increased workload, conflict with non-participants, poor performance. Employee satisfaction is organization's success.